Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen. So happy you're here. Today I want to talk about our beautiful bracelets. I'm surrounded by these stunning new bracelets and I can't wait to show them to you in my store. But here's the twist. Before these beauties posted online, they go through a secret makeover in my little workshop. You see, every time we get new elastic cord bracelets, we don't just pop them straight into the store. Instead, we do something extra. We take out the old elastic cord and put in a new one. I know what you're thinking and why on earth would you do that? Let me tell you. First, the factory workers make hundreds of bracelets every day. They work fast and might not check each one carefully. Sometimes the cord gets weak, like this, or breaks, like this. Second, let's talk about color magic. The factory workers have their own color preferences, but I've got my own vision. Take citrine, for example. They use orange red, which is nice, but I prefer a golden orange. That makes the stones absolutely pop. It's all about creating that perfect harmony, and it's the same for other stones too. And there's more. Most bracelets arrive with unfinished thread ends like this. And not everyone knows how to fix this. So we take care of that for you as well. I know it might seem like a lot of extra work, but to me, every restrung bracelet is a promise of quality and care to you. Because every time we fix a bracelet, we are thinking of you. So next time you slip on one of our bracelets, remember it's been touched by a little bit of magic and a whole lot of love. Your support means the world to me, and this is how I show my gratitude. Now, are you ready to see our new bracelets?